guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariel Aaron. If you're new here, hello and welcome. In today's video, I installed this beautiful pink wig that Divatress sent me. And what can I say? I'm in love, I'm obsessed. If you want to look like this, watch it from start to finish. Oh, and then also hit that like and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, and then you can watch the whole video. But guys, I'm feeling myself. This is my first time wearing pink hair, and Divatress, I'm in love. So if you guys would like to see how I installed this wig, just keep on watching. So this wig is called the Lanchan Wig, and I got it in the color baby pink. It has ear-to-ear lace, and it also came with baby hairs. I did have to customize it a little bit more to my liking, but the baby hairs were included. It takes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with your hot tools, which is amazing. One thing I will say about this hair is so lightweight. As I am going to stop talking and stop touching the hair because I can't stop. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this video. All right guys, let's get into this beautiful baby pink wig. Go ahead and unbox it here for you guys. I'm so nervous but excited because I really want this wig to look really good, because I've never tried a pink wig and I feel like it's time. I need to. So here is the wig. This wig is long. She is long. It is nice and soft. I'm running my hands through it. Okay, I got one piece of hair. Little to no shedding so far. So far so good. I'm loving the way it feels. It doesn't feel too synthetic-y. This is what the inside of the cap looks like. I've honestly never seen a wig with two combs at the front, so that's pretty interesting. It has two combs right here and then one comb at the back for security, and then it also has an elastic band, but I normally don't have to use elastic bands just because my head is so big. Like, let's just be real, let's just be honest. This is what the lace looks like up close. It comes in multiple different colors, as you guys can see. So if pink is not your color, that is fine. You can choose a different color. But I just thought like baby pink on me would look so fire, so I just had to get into it. Now I'm going to take my Sally Hansen spray and just spray the lace so it can, you know, match my skin color. So I'm just gonna flip the wig inside out and just spritz it. That looks good. So this is what the wig now looks like on the inside. Okay. And OMG. What do you guys think? The Maybelline Fit Me press powder in the color 360. So I am loving how the baby hairs on this side came out, and I'm just praying that it comes out like that on the other side. Because sometimes it don't be doing that.
Every second, every minute, every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, every second, every minute, every second.
Alright guys, I have the wig fully installed and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. But I do have some pros and cons, but overall I love how the wig is looking. I'm just going to add some makeup in my part, just so it's a little bit more natural. But guys, let me know in the comments down below what you think, All right, so now I'm just going to add some layers in the front. Ooh. Just like that. All right, I'm gonna go do the other side off camera just so I don't mess it up, but that's basically how I did it. All right, y'all, I'm back and the layers are in, and I think that was legit the best decision I've made because wow, I'm loving how that looks. I just feel like it gives it a human hair look to it. Y'all, I am absolutely, positively obsessed. I think I did that. Because in the beginning, I was looking like, damn, can I finesse this wig? Can I make it look cute? Can I make it look decent? And I think I understood the assignment, baby. Now, let's get into the pros and cons of this hair. So let's start with pros first. I love how soft it is. I can easily run my hands through it, not snagged at least once, and I love that. It feels really thick and it's not too thin, and the shedding is literally little to none. Like I probably got 1 or 2 strands come out. Let me see. The hairline is really nice. I did not have to pluck it. It came with baby hairs, but I did have to customize it. I love the color. Like the color is beautiful. Like I said earlier, there are other colors to pick from. So if you don't like this color, there's like 5 more colors to pick from. You are straight. Oh, the cap construction. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like it was not stretchy at all. So it was really hard to put on, but once I got it on, it stayed in place. Like it did not move back and it did not slide forward. It stayed in place. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much to Divatress for sponsoring this video and sending me this beautiful wig. Y'all killed it. And of course, I killed it. But if you guys would like to see more hair videos like this, please be sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And I'll be back with more videos. Bye.